Hi, I'm Sarah from PSL Fire and Safety. Today I want to talk about our Interconnectable Smoke Alarm Home Safety Pack. By default, each pack comes with 1 heat alarm and 3 smoke alarms, but you can add in as many as you need. Place a heat alarm in the kitchen and a garage if you have one, and a smoke alarm in each living space and bedroom. They're incredibly easy to link together, so if one goes off, they all do. Available now from our website. FAQs, help docs and instructions are also on our website.